Welcome back to CodyCrafted. Today we are starting the build series on Robert's 1982 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. We are going to take this thing from Land Schmoozer to Land Bruiser. This is a, I don't know that I want to call it a full build, but we got a lot. We got front rear bumpers, full suspension, big tires, new wheels, brake upgrade, EFI, oversized LRA fuel tank. It's going to be a big one. We sure hope you enjoy it, and I got wrenching to do. What do you think?
Click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like more content, follow social media at CodyCrafted on Instagram.
Oh, shop kitty. Anna, come on. Alright, so you can see we got some meat going on this thing, and these are 285/75 17s. We are looking at about 33.5 on these, and considering we got 31 1050s on it right now, as you can tell, we're going to be going up just a little bit. I really like the tread pattern for this vehicle. It's the Yokohama MT-01 mud terrain in a 10 ply, so they're heavy, but they're heavy duty. Yeah, it's not the best bite, but yeah.
Got two spots on that charger.
There's another charger right there. You can plug it in, the red one. Money. That's money, baby. Since we're disconnecting the rear end on this car and the front for full suspension, and we're taking a bunch of weight out of it, you always got to use a chassis support stand when you're on a lift. Doesn't take much. I usually like to put them on the receiver hitch because that's a nice frame-mounted, sturdy spot. Put about, I don't know, 2 inches of preload on it, maybe. Not enough where it shakes, but enough where it takes the wiggle out of the lift. Because, you know, dropping cars on your head, it's never fun. So our suspension kit on this one is pretty substantial. We're doing Dobinsons lift springs with a mana-free shackle reverse. We're going to be doing pounding on the roll cage is what we're doing. Y'all tired of hearing me grunt yet? That's the show. That's the show. It's called the Cody Grunting Channel. It's just me working on cars going, one more time.
Well, I wasn't going to say it.
I mean, you're the one who has to hear it more than anybody. You do all the editing.
Exactly.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna go get the new parts out of the back of the truck. They're yummy. Okay, so we got our first leaf spring hung with the anti-inversion shackles. Something that caught me out on this, these kits that come with these inversion shackles are not a front and a rear, they are a left and a right, which is, I just didn't see that one coming. So anyways, yeah, let's get this leaf spring hanged. All right, heave ho. Tell you what, it sure goes together nicer than stock stuff came apart. Factory stuff about whipped my ass. Ain't that pretty? Boy, that's easy. Getting it apart was an MF. Alright, we'll get all our hardware started loosely. Man, that's nice. I like this very much. Boy, that is some long travel right there, Jack. Good golly. Hey, we're 3 inches.
2 more parts with good tires and bushings.
Oh, these are different bushings.
And then you got that one with more bushings.
So the thing about Dobinsons,
Adjuster wrench.
dear viewer, is they use the same shock bodies for a bunch of different applications. Yeah, these are definitely smaller.
Oh yeah. A lot smaller.
Ooh, I wonder if we use the little bushings on the top and big bushings on the bottom. That's what I wonder. Oh yeah, that's much snugger. Okay, cool.
Snug like a bug in a rug.
Get a little emery cloth on that. Got a little rubber on it. And I'll look up the
Oh yeah, them big ones fit the bottoms.
yeah, that's a little bit of a difference. I just wanted to let it down. It looks like that dude in high school that put them mud grips on the back. Let's go. Hey guys, as you can tell, we're on hold with the manufacturer of our shackle reversal kit. This is from Mana Free. We're running Dobinsons leaves for 60 series FJ, and we got a whole lot of down travel, and no up travel. So we're on hold with those guys to figure out what's not jiving here. Customer spec'd all these parts, so we're kind of, this is what we're using, and got a real quality setup, but man, these front leaves are stiff. The shocks are at full extension and not even tight, and they're still like 1.5 inches from hitting the lower shock mount. So okay, so we figured out the problem. Dobinsons, who is our suspension supplier on this one, we always have great luck with them. Apparently somebody dropped the ball. We got diesel springs, which is why we have all the lift and none of the squat. You can pull one of the leafs out to get the gas rated spring, but they didn't bother to tell me that they were going to send me those. So somebody in the warehouse dropped the ball there, but you know, it happens. We were waiting on a couple other parts anyway, so for the time being, she's going to have that Carolina squat for a couple of days. She's headed outside. We got other work to do. So, as you guys can see here, we've got the weight on it, but we're still like 1.5 inches, and that's with the shock kind of loose, so probably 2 inches from full droop on the shock. And we've got a U-bolt flip kit that's coming, and some majorly extended sway bar links. Those are on the way. Also new center pins because of our caster correction shims. Because race car.